Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to install the latest Android Studio and how to start a new project. So please try to Google Android Studio download. Uh, you will be redirected to Android developers website and try, for example, to install the Android install link, install Android Studio. So this is official page to install Android Studio. Download latest version is here. Press this link. So you'll be redirected to official IDE for Android Studio link. In this case, my version is Android Studio Narwhal feature drop. And yeah, I will start to download this package right now. So I have to be read and agree with this term of condition and start Android Studio 2025.12 patch for Windows. And once it's done, you will be notified in the right upper corner. So please note, if you have previously installed Android Studio before, you may need only to update to the newer version. But I'm doing this from the beginning for those if you do not have previously installed Android Studio. Welcome to Android Studio Setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of Android Studio. It's pretty much straightforward because we have to simply agree with those points. Space required in your computer is 4.1 gigabytes, so please make sure you have at least double of this size in order to work it properly. The location will be specified in C program files, which should be accepted by default in most cases. And press install and wait while Android Studio is being installed. It may take a couple of minutes. All right, installation complete. Setup was completed successfully. Press next. And in this case, you see you will be able to start Android Studio by default. That's what we're going to do right now. So Android Studio opening the page. Please note, I may have a previously installed project in my computer. That's why I have already my application open. But no worries, I will close this application and start application from the scratch. I'll select it here, close project. And you see right now, I see the list of previously installed project, previously open project. No worries, you may don't have them. You will select option new project in the upper corner. Then you have to select type of the project. A new project will be based on the empty activity. That will be the second from the left in the row, empty activity, and this logo type of compose. Select this and press next. So this page is creating new project properties. We create new empty activity with Jetpack Compose. A project name, usually it's one name without blanks. Because I'm creating Hello World, that's my first project. I'll write probably Hello World as one word, maybe app, Hello World app. Package name. So please pay attention specifically for the package name. In this course, you will be required to use your student ID as is in the middle section of your package name. So please note, this is strict requirement and it will be enforced in all your projects in this course. If you ignore these requirements, your project will not be accepted for marking. So please note, because of this specific project Hello World application, we can use org.student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where is this numbers as your student ID, and Hello World app. So if you want to be a little bit different, you can change section on the left or section on the right, but you cannot change section in the middle. So for example, if you want to go week by week, you can write a week 1 project is T1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot, and you can say here, for example, project hello. It also acceptable as soon as the middle area is valid. I repeat again, last time the middle portion of your package name should be ST number of your student ID. The next, save location will be by default, a minimum SDK is API 26. It will run your project approximately 97% of devices. And please use the same build configuration language, Kotlin DSL, which is recommended by default. So if you have any questions about these properties, please let us know before you start programming in Android. And press finish. So when you press finish, resources will be generated for your new project. In my case, it may be a little bit faster than in your case. If you open Android Studio for the first time, you might need to wait 5-7 minutes or maybe longer. That's possible when Android Studio will be importing libraries for your environment. So please be patient. The second time will be much faster. So please note, we also need Android device simulator for this project. It might be necessary to create device simulator, but I have this device manager here. I have 3 devices already: Medium phone, Android phone, Medium phone 2, and Pixel. That might be also necessary for you to create. Okay, so Gradle finished importing everything, and you see Android appeared on the top right now, Android label, and you see here Kotlin plus Java folder. You see your package properly named as week 1 student ID project hello, and inside we see the main activity, entry point to your application. So with important library is and main activity by default. So right now we're going to execute this project. Once everything completed, you should be able to see this green triangle on the top. We will be running this project on Pixel Android 16 Baklava phone. I will select this phone in this list and run application. So this will be the place where running device will be pop up, and you'll be able to see the device in the moment. Gradle build running right now in the background, and then device is ready to the application, but we still need to wait for Android Studio to finish with running Gradle. So we ask about do we allow USB debugging? Apparently yes. I'll always select always allow from this computer, because you may need to use USB debugging, and we need to say yes for this question and never see this question again. So we are about to receive installed application. It's launched already, and you see installation successfully finished. We see Android, hello Android on the top. So yeah, that's pretty much how the basic hello world application should be completed. If you want another device to use, how to run it on another device. Let's say you want to use another device If you click here device manager, you see already I have 3 devices. If you have none, you need to probably create device, right? So create device, you will be able to see here, add a new device, or you maybe can pair device using Wi-Fi. If you have your device, your Android device ready, you can always to do it. I have my device, but I will not be able to show you how to pair it because of this short video. But if you add new device, you can create a virtual device using this panel. A lot of devices here. So please don't select the latest model. Select something that will be manageable for your hardware computer. So in my case, I have a medium phone, which is Android 16. You can show you configuration. That's what pretty much I have here. Medium phone with system image for the API 36. Okay, right now I'm going to execute the same project to medium phone. I select it here and I select medium phone from these available devices and press run application again. So right now I would see this medium phone API 36 running here, and the same application will be runnable. So always use USB debugging, so you don't need to answer this question again. So yeah, we will waiting for the application launching on this device, and we will be finishing with this short introduction. Okay, so installation completed successfully and installed already in medium phone API 36. If you have any questions about how to install Android Studio, how to create Hello World, how to run your application, please let us know. We'll be happy to help.